Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. I'm so happy that you stopped by my channel today for another Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, and the name of her other channel is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have Jennifer at Home and myself, Jean Home Decor and More. Now, Quick and Easy Meals is hosted every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So in addition to watching my video until the end, I would really appreciate it if you would swing by these other channels and check out them and see what they have cooking up for you today for Quick and Easy Meals. So today, guys, I am making the best chicken leg recipe ever. I'm going to bake this chicken and I'm going to take you off the ring in a minute, show you all the ingredients that I am going to add to my chicken. I have them all in here. So I have cleaned and patted my chicken legs dry. And in this bowl, I'm going to add some olive oil to the chicken. And I'm going to coat the chicken with the olive oil. And because I don't have any dry mustard today, I'm just going to use a little regular mustard. So I'm going to cover the chicken with the olive oil and the mustard. And then I'm going to add my seasonings. And then I'm going to put them on a flat baking dish. So I have covered my baking dish with aluminum foil and I've sprayed some cooking spray on it. And we're going to bake this in the oven on 425 degrees. So what I'll do now is add the chicken, the olive oil and the mustard. I'll add, blend those together. And then I'm going to, cover them with the seasoning, and then I'll bring you back, okay? Keep watching. All right, guys, so this is what the chicken is looking like. I've already included the ingredients that I used for this chicken. I deviated from the recipe just a bit, but what I will do is link the recipe in the description box below. After I coated the chicken with the olive oil and mustard, I added the seasonings. And so now I'm going to pop this in the oven on 425 degrees for 40 minutes. And I'm going to turn it at the halfway point of about 20 minutes. Okay, so I'm doing this early today so that I can, move on with the rest of my day. This is definitely quick and easy because, again, it didn't take long to prepare the chicken. And then you don't really have to fool with it. You just put it in the oven. I am going to pair something with this. I'm not sure yet, and I'll show you that in a minute. I have an idea, of course, but I'll show you in a minute. To pair with my baked chicken, I decided to pull out of the freezer these baked scalloped potatoes. I got these from Costco. So I've never had them, so I'm going to see how they are today. And then along with that, we will have some baby broccoli florets. Keep watching. All right.
That's what we have to figure out is we got to figure out what we're going to do.
Right.
Once we land, I'm going to go hang out with the fellas later at night.
I know. All right, guys, so here is my chicken out of the oven. It looks pretty good, doesn't it? So now I am going to make my scalloped potatoes and then later on my broccoli. I'm gonna just put a top back on here because we're not quite ready to eat yet. Here's the reveal: baked chicken, broccoli florets, and scalloped potatoes. I hope that you like my video today. I am going to include the recipe for the baked chicken in the description box below. Please be so kind to give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you join my growing channel. Until the next time, you guys, bye-bye.